Hello, today we're going to be showing you how to fix earbuds. What the supplies you're going to need is a hammer, pliers, and a dumbbell. So first what you're going to want to do is take the hammer and hit each earbud 3 to 5 times. Alright, now a second step is you take the pliers and you go to the volume changing dial and you just grab them and just kind of like bend and twist, just do all sorts of stuff. If you're cracking, that means you're actually getting somewhere. Yeah, see right there? That's what it should look like when it's getting fixed. Alright, and then the second thing, you just want to take both earbuds and put them right together. And then you take the dumbbell and then you just smash them. Just like that. So after you're done with all of that, your headphones should look like this. Alright, so now what you want to do is you just want to gather it all together, just like we're doing here. And then you want to take them and throw them in the trash. Buy new headphones.